Let's take a look at this question. Fourth, if A is equal to this matrix, 3 by 3 matrix, B is another 3 by 3 matrix, and C is also a 3 by 3 matrix, then compute A plus B and B minus C. Okay, we are supposed to find A plus B and B minus C first. Also, we are supposed to verify whether A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Okay, that's what we are supposed to find. So, let's try to find, first of all, can we find A plus B and B minus C very easily? Yes. We can find A plus B. A plus B is something which we require over here as well. B minus C is something that we require over here. So, we'll find A plus B first. A plus B. Now, A is a 3 by 3 matrix, B is a 3 by 3 matrix. The sum of these two matrices would be obtained by adding the corresponding elements. Okay, let's add them together. This is 1 and 3, the sum is 4. Are we adding them in one step? Yes, that's also possible. We can do it. Then 2 minus 1, which is 1, minus 3 plus 2, which is minus 1. Come on, catch up, right? 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. Right? That's simple. Then you have 1 plus 2, which is 3. Minus 1 plus 0, which is minus 1. Then you have 1 plus 3, which is 4. This is A plus B for us. This is A plus B for us. What about B minus C? B minus C. B minus C will be obtained by subtracting this from this, right? Corresponding elements of each. 3 minus 4. So, should I write the calculation step in between? I think we can skip that. Or let's write it maybe. 3 minus 4. Since subtraction will be an issue for some people, let me write it. Minus 1 minus 1. 2 minus 2. This is what I have, right? Okay, let's write it a bit closer. Minus 1. This is 2 minus 2. Okay, what next? 4 minus 0. 2 minus 3. 5 minus 2. What about the third row? This is 2 minus 1. This is 0 minus of minus 2. 3 minus 3. What is this equal to further? This 3 minus 4, which is minus 1. This is minus 2. This is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. This is minus 1. This is 3. 1 and 2 and 0. This is the matrix B minus C. Okay. This is what we obtain as B minus C. Next, since we have found A plus B and B minus C, we are also supposed to verify something. So let's continue verifying that. For verification, what we need is, first let us find the LHS to prove, to verify basically, A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. Let us simplify the LHS first. LHS is A plus B minus C. So we have a separate and a B minus C over here. Let's add them together. What do we have over here is 1, 2 minus 3, and this is 1, 2 minus 3. This is 5, 0, 2. This is 1 minus 1, 1. And just a minute, this B minus C is equal to this matrix. Minus 1, minus 2, 0. 4, minus 1, 3. 1, 2, 0, as you can see over here clearly. Add these two together. What do we get? This is 1 minus 1, which is gone, 0. This is 2 minus 2, gone, 0. This is minus 3 plus 0, which is minus 3. Adding the corresponding elements of the second row, 5 and 4 add up to 9. 0 and minus 1 will give me minus 1. 2 and 3 added together will give me 5. Then you have a 1 plus 1, which is 2. Minus 1 plus 2, which is 1. And 1 plus 0, which is 1. This is what we have, right? The LHS is equal to this matrix. What about the RHS? RHS is equal to A plus B minus C. Now A plus B is this matrix, C is this matrix. Let's write them first. So A plus B is this 4, 1, minus 1, 9, 2, 7 and 3, minus 1, 4. Minus C matrix. C is that matrix, right? What do we have over here is 4, 1, 2, 0, 3, 2, 1 minus 2, 3. And subtract the corresponding elements to get the final result. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. That's what you obtain. 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. That's what you obtain, right? The third row, 3 minus 1 is 2. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. Okay. Minus 1 plus 2 is actually 1. 4 minus 3 is 1 over here. Right? The LHS has been simplified to a matrix. The RHS has already simplified to a matrix. Are they equal? Can you please observe 0, 0, minus 3, 9, minus 1, 5, 2, 1, 1. Yes, they are equal. Hence, verified. LHS is equal to RHS, verified. You see over here, what do we have is A plus B minus C. The brackets can be manipulated, right? A plus B minus C or A plus B minus C. What you are actually doing is you are applying some kind of a distributive law over here, right? Some kind of distributive law in some form. Actually, distributive law in general talks about, in case of addition, we talk about A plus B plus C. So we can add B and C together and then we can add that sum to A, or you can add A and B together that add that sum to C. Here, the person has introduced something called minus C also. So you can imagine distributive law in a particular way over here. Distributive law, yes. Distributive law is being applied over addition for these three matrices, A, B and minus C, right? So we can add these two, then add this, or we can add these two and then add with A, right? So distributive law is possible on addition, over addition. Yes, for matrices, distributive law holds for addition, right? And let me get aside for a bit for you to take a look at the complete solution once again. And yes, that is all in this question for us.